Hi, this is John. Today we're going to talk about converting your compressed air 7500 spray gun to a turbine version. It's very easy, so let's get started. To remove the compressed air handle coupler from the spray gun, simply remove the compressed air connector. Using a 13/16 wrench, loosen the handle connector and remove that, and then take your turbine connector and install that. And snug it up with the 13/16 wrench. And now you're ready to use your compressed air gun from a turbine.